In a world where lions roar and elephants command the savannah, there exists another creature, silent, shy, covered in scales, yet holding secrets powerful enough to change the fate of an entire ecosystem. This is the story of the pangolin, nature's most forgotten hero. At first glance, the pangolin seems almost alien. Its body is covered in hard keratin scales, the only mammal on Earth with such armor. Its tongue is longer than its body, designed to slurp up thousands of ants and termites in minutes. To many, it is strange, even unattractive. But in the delicate balance of nature, it is a keystone. The role of the pangolin. Every night, a single pangolin consumes up to 70 million insects in a year. Without it, ant and termite populations would explode, destroying crops, weakening trees, and threatening the survival of entire forests. In silence, the pangolin does the work of an army, protecting both man and nature. But the pangolin's gift has become its curse. Its scales are falsely believed to have medicinal powers. Its meat considered a delicacy in some cultures. As a result, the pangolin is now the most trafficked mammal in the world. In less than a decade, over 1 million pangolins have vanished, stolen from the wild, smuggled across borders, and sold in secrecy.